In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove those pesky fake McAfee virus pop-up notifications in Microsoft Edge. These annoying alerts often masquerade as legitimate warnings, but they are, in fact, scam ads. Let's navigate through this step by step so you can browse with peace of mind. First, you'll need to open the Edge browser on your computer. Once it's up and running, target your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll notice three little dots there. That's the Settings and More option. Go ahead and click on it, then scroll down and select Settings. This will lead us to the next phase of our journey. Now that you're in the Settings menu, direct your focus to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll find an option labeled Privacy, Search, and Services. Click on it and it will reveal more options within that scope. From there, you want to navigate to Site Permissions. This is essentially where we control who gets to do what with notifications on your browser. Once you've clicked on Site Permissions, you'll find a section called All Permissions. Select it and you'll be promptly taken to a more detailed menu. This is where the real action happens as we pinpoint and remove those unwanted alerts. Scroll down or navigate to find notifications under the All Permissions list. The Notifications section is where you can manage what sites are allowed to send you notifications. You'll see a list titled Allow to Send Notifications. This list shows all the websites that currently have permission to pop up on your screen. Go through this list carefully. What you're on the lookout for are any suspicious or unfamiliar websites, such as those notorious fake alert domains like McAfee, alert.com, or securitycheckno.xyz. If any of these names or anything else that looks suspicious jumps out at you, it's time to take action. Next to each of these suspicious website entries, you'll spot three dots, which serve as the menu or options for that specific entry. Click on those three dots next to the site that you want to block, and a small menu will appear. From this menu, choose Remove. This action will effectively eliminate the permission for those fake alert sites to display notifications, meaning no more scam ads popping up to interrupt your activities. And there you have it. Those fake McAfee virus pop-ups should no longer be a bother in your browsing experience. Remember, keeping an eye on your settings and the permissions you grant to different websites can help keep your digital environment safe and serene. Thanks for watching and happy browsing!